Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play the Diablo Tristram theme on guitar. First, ensure your guitar is in standard tuning. We begin with a simple chord. Place your middle finger on the D string at the 2nd fret and your ring finger on the G string at the 2nd fret. Strum the bottom 5 strings, carefully avoiding the low E string to achieve that distinctive, twangy Tristram sound. Hold this chord for 4 beats before moving to the next. Now, let's tackle the main melody and fingerpicking. After the initial chord, shift your pointer finger to the 1st fret of the D string and strum the bottom 4 strings. The iconic melody involves a specific fingerpicking pattern. You will play the D string, then the G string, followed by an upward strum on the bottom 2 open strings. Repeat this sequence, ensuring each note rings out clearly for a haunting effect. To truly capture the Tristram theme's atmosphere, focus on dynamics and expression. Vary your strumming intensity. A lighter touch can create a softer, more distant sound, while a firmer strum adds emphasis. Try incorporating palm muting to achieve a percussive, muted tone, especially during rhythmic sections. Allow certain notes to sustain, letting them ring out to enhance the melancholic and atmospheric feel of the piece. For effective learning, break the Tristram theme into smaller, manageable sections. Practice each part slowly with a metronome to ensure precise timing and clean execution. As you gain confidence, gradually increase your speed. Finally, try playing along with the original Tristram theme to refine your performance and truly immerse yourself in the music. Consistent practice will help you master this classic piece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.